The result of the pandemic is clear. There have been nearly 800 million cases of COVID worldwide and more than 6 million deaths. But one key mystery remains. Where did the virus come from?
At this point, what do we know?
It's a conversation I had with Scripps News health correspondent Lindsay Thies.
We still don't really have a definitive answer.
Yeah, and it may be one of those things where we never truly know. There's a couple of leading theories. It's a lot to read through, and it definitely makes what is already a really muddy and complicated question of where did this start even that much more complicated.
Where did the virus come from? Scientists have focused on 5 clues. Clue number 1, early cases at the Huanan wholesale seafood market.
The first cases that were known were people who had been in or worked in or visited a market where they sell, all sorts of food in the middle of Wuhan.
Because Chinese authorities quickly closed the market and sanitized it, scientists researching how the virus spread did not have much to go on. But they did have clue number 2, genetic material. Scientists collected it from animals at the market known to carry viruses like COVID.
There's DNA from that animal called a raccoon dog, which is known to be very susceptible to SARS viruses.
SARS viruses include SARS-CoV-2. That's the name of the virus that causes COVID-19. Clue number 3, the proximity of the initial outbreak to the Wuhan Institute of Virology.
There's a major laboratory in Wuhan that studies coronaviruses. This is a very high-level lab and worked with American scientists and other international scientists.
We know that scientists there were genetically engineering coronaviruses under seriously inadequate safety conditions. And we know that viruses escape from labs all the time.
Clue number 4, the structure of the virus itself. Many viruses use their spike proteins to bind and enter human cells. The former head of the CDC says COVID spike proteins seemed tailor-made to infect people.
It looked like this virus was engineered.
Clue number 5, the close relatives to COVID in nature. Last year, scientists discovered decades-old coronaviruses found in cave bats in Laos could enter human cells. The spike protein from one of the bat viruses and COVID-19 spike protein look almost identical. So, 5 key clues to consider: the market, genetic material, the lab, COVID structure, and natural relatives.
Just based on your reporting, you've covered the pandemic very closely for multiple years. Do you believe there will ever be that concrete answer where we know exactly how it started?
Well, I hate to give the non-answer answer, but anyone who kind of covers science and any doctor or scientist that's really worth their weight will tell you, we don't have a crystal ball. What has really made doctors very optimistic is seeing how the scientific community really stepped up to the plate in not only trying to sequence and figure out as much as they could about this virus, but really collaborating on that science and that effort. Seeing that kind of group effort, that altruistic effort, is something that I'm hearing is making a lot of those experts that I've been speaking to optimistic on anything that might, come and pose a health threat, a public health threat in the future.
More next on The Race.